Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to episode 1 of the restoration of this 79 Firebird Formula that I picked up. As you can see, she needs some work. And I'm by no means a mechanic of vehicles. I am an aircraft mechanic, have been for some time. But yeah, this should be interesting. I've always wanted this car. I got this from my brother, actually. And he had it for about 20 years and wanted to make it a drag car, and just didn't have the time to do anything with it. So he finally dished it over to me. So we'll see what we can get out of this thing. Let's look inside. Oh God. So she needs a lot of work. Interiors, he says new carpet. We'll take a look at that once I get all this junk out of here. You see we got the front bumper there. I think he said everything is in here. Now this car came with the 403 out of factory, but since that time, within the last 20 years, that 403 got taken out and got replaced with a 455 Olds, which is currently in the back of my truck until I get it out. Let's look in the trunk, and we will look at that engine on another video, because I'm going to get it completely redone, make it brand new again. Well, as new as I can get it. Okay, here's the fuel tank. As I said, he wanted to make it a drag car, so I'm not interested in making it a drag car. I would like to make it look street again. Still have some power. I mean, when I get that engine board out, it'll probably be more of a 462, but that's fine. It's fine. We'll still call it a 455. But yeah, this is it. I plan to make an entire series of the restoration of this thing over the next, God, who knows, couple of years. As you can see, they used to tow a trailer with this car, so that's fun. But yeah, we'll get it all situated. I have mechanical expertise and, ability. I've got a ton of manuals to help me out, and people I can call, and this app, YouTube will show you how to do anything for the most part. I've got some water there. That's not fun. Okay, well, I gotta get this thing into the I never even looked in this trunk before I got this. Got some headers. No headers. Valve covers. Some Edelbrock valve covers. Those would be nice. Get those cleaned up. I got this fan. I don't know if we're going to use that. Okay. Anyway, the engine bay is empty. There's nothing in it. The engine is torn apart. Get out of there. The engine is torn apart completely. But she looks good. She looks good. It's got some rust. She got a little bit of rust. That's okay. Yeah, that's okay. That needs some work. The rockers are pretty. I can't really. How am I gonna? Let me get you down there. Yeah. We're gonna need some new rockers. This. Yeah, that's quite a bit. We'll take care of that. Some side damage. That's okay. A little bit of corrosion up here. This can all be fixed. The seals are all leaking, so we got a crack in the windshield. But I feel like every seal in this car is leaking. So we get any kind of rain, and she gonna get wet. Let's see up under here. There you go. Here's our empty bay. Really not a whole lot of corrosion in this engine bay, unless it's been covered up with paint. But we'll take a deeper look at that when I get it in the garage, and have a look around with some light. Got the original rims, 3 of them. I need to put some new lug nuts on that. Original emblems, original sticker. It doesn't matter. This is going to get a whole new paint job in the end anyway. I'll probably stick with this red, but yeah, not bad. She's not a bad car. You know, they say the last of the original muscle cars here. We'll try to get her muscle back. But that's it. There's that one missing rim. I'll get a new set of rims for this anyway. But yeah, I'll show you the inside of this thing once I get her all cleaned out. Maybe in the next episode when I get it back in the garage. And yeah, we'll continue this journey together because this is going to be quite a bit of work to get it back to her original state. Somewhat, you know, it's never going to be original again. But we'll do the best we can with what we've got. Let's see, in there. Oh, it's not bad though. The dash looks okay. Well, the cluster looks okay. The dash needs some work. But, you know, there'll be some parts out there somewhere. Someone can do something everywhere. So speakers, he tore all that out because he was trying to lighten the car and you know, make her go fast. Just look at that seal there. Can you see that? There you go. That seal's done for. This will have to come off. I'm glad that's not rusted. That's good. Some more rust down here. Oh, focus, focus, focus. There we go. That's all the way through, so that'll be fun. That'll be fun. What is it? Did it go all the way through that back panel? Sure did. Sure did. So that'll be fun. That'll be a good time. But yeah, you guys will be here to see that. Look at this rocker panel here. Oh, better shape than the last one. I think he said that right-hand side was pretty much rusted out because this car was sitting on the curb for a while. And not on the curb, but like on the edge of the street where the water flows, and it didn't have good water flow on the street. So the water was just kind of continuously hitting that rocker and causing chaos under there. But whatever, it is what it is. I've got it now. It's my problem. So yeah, until the next one, this is her. I don't have a name for it as of right now. It's just a 79 Firebird Formula with a 455, but we'll figure it out. I'll see you guys on the next one.